The 2026 Hyundai Elantra continues to impress with its sleek design, efficient performance, and advanced technology features. What's new for 2026? The 2026 Elantra introduces the Nightshade Edition, adding sporty design elements like blacked-out exterior accents and unique wheels, giving the Elantra a more aggressive stance. Engine and performance. The 2026 Elantra offers a range of powertrains. Base engine. A 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 147 horsepower, paired with a continuously variable transmission. Turbocharged engine. A 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine delivering 201 horsepower, mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Hybrid powertrain. A 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine combined with an electric motor, producing a total of 139 horsepower, coupled with a continuously variable transmission. Elantra N. A high-performance 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine generating 276 horsepower, available with a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Inside, the Elantra boasts a modern and spacious cabin with seating for 5. Standard features include an 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a suite of advanced safety features. Higher trims offer additional amenities such as a 10.25-inch touchscreen, premium audio system, and wireless device charging. Every 2026 Elantra comes equipped with Hyundai's SmartSense suite of safety features, including forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Higher trims add features like adaptive cruise control and a surround view camera system. The price of the 2026 Hyundai Elantra starts at $23,500 and goes up to $31,500, depending on trim and options. If you're seeking a compact sedan that offers a blend of efficiency, comfort, and advanced technology, the 2026 Hyundai Elantra is a compelling choice. The addition of the Nightshade Edition provides a sportier aesthetic, while the range of powertrains caters to various driving preferences.